Hindi po ba makaka-break ng fasting ang lemon? Makaka-break po siya ng fasting perhaps. It's not going to be very significant. Dito sa Canada, no, meron yung tinatawag na Freestyle Libre. So Freestyle Libre, it's a device that you can put on your skin. Transdermal siya. And then you can monitor kung ano na yung sugar reading nyo. And alam nyo yung isa kong patient, na-discover niya na pag umiinom siya ng lemon water, it's plain, walang asukal po, no? Lemon water, nag-spike up yung kanyang sugar. So yes, it will break your fast, kapatid. Up to what degree? Depende. May mga taong very vulnerable, may mga taong hindi naman. Anything that has calories will break your fast. Ano-ano nga ba yung apat na hindi makaka-break ng fasting natin? So we have yung tea, so plain tea. We have yung coffee, black coffee, syempre tubig, right? Apple cider vinegar also won't break your fast. So those are the 4 liquids na pwede ninyong i-take when you are fasting po.